Draw the isometric projection of a rectangular prism, dimension 60, 80 into 20 mm thick, surmounting a tetrahedron of sides 45 mm, such that axes of the solids are collinear and at least one of the edges of both the sides are parallel to VP. So you can see here in this I have drawn the orthographic of the tetrahedron, both the top and front view of it I have drawn. You see that, that's what I am writing. Orthographic view of tetrahedron we required to construct here. Okay, you can see initially I have constructed a 45 mm triangle. Okay, then after that I have taken a mark the points, and then I have marked the middle point of all the edges to draw the medians here, and then you get the exact point. You need to draw the medians here, remember. And then I have projected the lines, and we don't know the axis length here, just projecting the line, and you can see the edge OBT is parallel, so we should measure 45 mm and cut the axis. So we should cut with respect to the 45 mm. We need to find out the axis. Here the axis length what we get, that is 36 mm. Okay, now after that we have to construct the box for it. Okay, we need a box. One side we have 45, another 40, and the exactly half of that, that is 22.5. Okay, now we need to construct the isometric of this. Okay, first we will be constructing a rectangular prism, then above of that we will be constructing this tetrahedron. Okay, I'll be using the isometric sheet because it is an isometric problem. So first take a reference line. You can see that. So first we have to construct a rectangular prism, so which is having a dimension of 60, 80 into 20 mm thickness. Okay, I'll be constructing a first I will take a reference line, then I'll be constructing a rectangular box which is of dimension 60 into 80. Okay, then after that I'll give the height of 20. So first you draw an reference line. Okay, you take one reference point. So from this reference point you consider the boxes here. Okay, 60 means 6 boxes. Okay, and 80 means 8 boxes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, now we can construct it. Okay, 1 2 3 4, can again recheck. So now we have to construct the box here, rectangular box, rectangle. Then after that we will be giving a height of 20. Okay, here exactly at all these points we need to give a height of 20 mm. Okay, you can see in the problem. So the thickness we should give, that is 20. Okay, that is 2 boxes height we have to consider vertically. Okay, thickness we consider in vertical height. And then rejoin to construct a rectangular prism. Okay, so join all these extremities to construct the rectangular prism here. Okay, you can mention the angle 30 degree on either sides. Okay, so now you can see we have this rectangle of dimension 60 into 80, but we need to place this tetrahedron, which is I need to place this 45 on this 80 and this 40 on the 60. So we will be going to the subtraction of box method here. 80 minus 45, so that will be 35. So 35 divided by 2, because we should consider on both the sides, that is 17.5. In same way the another side we have 60 minus 40, so it will be 20 by 2 means 10 mm. So we need to mark on the longer side, that is 80 mm, that is 17.5. okay, 17.5, that is more than 15. okay, in between 15 and 20 we should mark, okay, approximately, and then 10, so we can count exactly one box here. okay, you can construct the thin line here. okay, okay, so now we get the internal box dimension 45 and 40. okay, that's what it is, the box dimension of the tetrahedron, right? So you can mark the middle point and you join to construct the base of the tetrahedron. So base of the tetrahedron, it is a triangle. okay, now we can find out the center of the box here. okay, center of the box we find out. So for that we'll drawing to take middle points here, and then we draw middle point of the box we consider, and we have to take the center point here. okay, so we can consider the middle point of this by drawing median also we can do, that is also we can do it, or either we can consider the middle point of the box. So both the things are we can able to do it. okay, whichever you find feasible you can follow that. So I'll be considering here middle point of the box. okay, from that center point we'll be considering a height of 36. So that's what we have been find out from the orthographic height. We have been find out that is 36 mm. okay, that's what we have been find out. So we'll be considering a height of 36 means 3.5 box, more than a half box, a little more than the 35. okay, so you'll be drawing an axis line here. okay, and then joining with the base of the triangle. So we should connect it. okay, okay, so that completes the problem.